channel. Today I have a new microphone. Clap for me. Yay! So let's start the video. Hi guys, karibu to my channel. Today we are going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a lipstick video, but I'm going to show you my best nude lipsticks. Actually, they are the only nude lipsticks, and I'm going to be talking about them here. Some you've ever seen them, some you haven't. So these ones, yeah, so I'm going to try them out, and then we're going to talk about them one by one. So I hope you're going to love this video. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please do, and share, comment, yeah, vitu kama hivyo. So the first lipstick I'm going to try out is the lightest. So I'm going to start with the lightest to the darkest. So the lightest for me is Beeper from Colourpop, and as much as it's very light, I still love this lipstick. So I'm going to line. I'm going to use this pencil. It's just a local pencil. So I've lined my lips. So I'm going to go with Beeper. And if you've noticed, I've lined mpaka huku kote. Normally I used to line huku nje too, and I never used to like how it turned out. Yeah, so like I said, this is a little bit, it's not a little bit, it's way lighter, but it doesn't mean that darker skin toned hawezi tumia, anaweza tumia. So yeah, so I've applied it. It's not really perfect, and it dries out really fast. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. I like it. Yeah, it looks like you haven't applied lipstick. Like, this is the color of my lips. Miles not. Yeah, but I love it. Yeah, so I don't know. You tell me. By the end of this video, I want to see on the comment section which is your favorite nude that will go with your skin tone. Yeah, so yeah, because if you're using me for reference, I'm a shade in Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 360, and then in the Revlon Mimini, what is it called? Let me check. In Revlon, I'm Hazelnut. So if you're using me as reference, those are my shades. So yeah, and MAC is NC 50, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so this is my how it turns out. I like it. I love it. As much as it's light, but it really suits if you line it with a darker skin. You should line it with a liner which is a little bit darker than you. Yeah. So so the next lipstick is what is it called? It's sort of on the grayish tone, like a grayish tone, and that is from Huddah Cosmetics, this one. And I'm also going to line because it's almost the same shade with Beeper, the first one that I tried, but it's a little bit darker because of the grayish tone. So this other lipstick is from Huddah Cosmetics, and the Huddah from East Africa. Yeah, and I love her lipsticks because she's serious about what she's doing. Yeah, so this is Angel. I love it. It's a little bit grayer than the beeper from Colourpop. I think that's why it makes it more darker. So I feel like this one is more suited for darker skin toned people like me. And I feel like also kwamba you can obviously wear this without wearing a lip liner. Of course, for me nimevaa lip liner first and then this one, because yeah, but I think there are people who are a little bit lighter than me who can get away without lining, but otherwise this is really great. And for people who are darker can also use this. Yeah, so this is really nice. So the next lipstick after Angel is Innocent from Joanna K. Yeah, so it's from Joanna Cosmetics. It's this one. I do not know where to put this. This is more like in the pink zone, but it's nude. Yeah, so I don't know if it's lighter than the rest ambazo nimejaribu zile the lightest, or it's a little bit darker, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to line my lips as usual. This is Innocent from Joanna K Cosmetics, and it's a very light lipstick but in the pinkish. It's a nude lipstick but it has this tone kama ni pinkish hivi, but to me I feel like it's nude. It's not more of like a pink lipstick, but it's nude and I love it. I really do. And it also goes well with this hairstyle, and it's fit for work also, just like the rest. And because it's a little bit different, I feel like you can get away with it if you want to go, I don't know, you can get away with any of these lipsticks, but I love it. The darkest, so the shade that is a little bit darker than the last one, and that is Limbo. And you know, if you're an OG of mine, you know how much I'm a die-hard fan of Limbo. I love Limbo. I love Limbo. Yeah, so normally I don't line my lips using Limbo, so I'm just going to go in. That's what I'm going to do. So Limbo is a brown color, but it's more of not too brown, but brown. I think this is the second last darkest shade that I have. Yeah, so this is the second last lipstick that I'm going to swatch for you, and it's from Colourpop. I really love this, and I love all of them, but also Limbo. And Limbo is maybe because it's my first nude ever, I think I have a soft spot to it. Yeah, so basically this is how it looks like, and you guys just don't know how much I feel about Limbo. Flawless. Yani, like, even the formulation is really great. As much as I said I'm not gonna talk about formulation, but yeah, I love this. I love Limbo, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so it's a great, you can get away without lining, and even for darker skin toned you can get away without lining. This thing is so amazing, so amazing. So the last lipstick is the darkest, and that is from Joanna K Cosmetics, and that is Fearless. This is the darkest that I have. I don't know if it's the darkest that it's in Joanna K Cosmetics, and I'm not gonna line it also, just like Limbo, because it's darker, and we know the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. this is the last lipstick. I love it. I think the darker the lipstick is my favorite. So yeah, I think I love from the darkest to the lightest. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I had said before, don't forget to tell me which is your favorite lipstick according to your skin tone, so in the comment section below. So personally, I love this one, but I go with all of them. So yeah, so I feel like I love it, and guys, I just love. So when a guy tells you to send them nudes, so the kind of nudes you're supposed to send. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and yeah, let's just see you next time for another video. So until next time, ciao guys.